Hey, this is the DIY Magician. Week in review. It's a little postponed, and that's okay. I can't say anything more about it. I think I said enough. Don't forget, if you've been here before, thank you very much. If you're new to the channel, thank you very much. But you can also subscribe to make sure that all the videos are there for you when you need it on YouTube. But also, you may want to join my Facebook group. It's the DIY Magician, and that is my Facebook group for everybody. But if you are an entertainer of any type and can prove it, sorry, I have stipulations. There is a separate group called, you ready for it? DIY Magic. And it's a Facebook group. Again, DIY Magic. And that's for magicians, for clowns, for jugglers, for balloon artists, for face painters, for anyone that MCs, people who are entertaining others. That's the channel for you, Facebook. So again, DIY Magic for entertainers. And then we've come to the end here. So I want to thank you again. This is the DIY Magician, and I will see you next time.